Hey guys, Extremes here again. Maybe some of you have seen my previous videos on these homemade light in the dark floaters I made. Um, this was one of the designs, and it's basically a kindergarten egg, right? And it's got the weight and everything on the bottom, and it opens up, and you have your LED and your battery inside. And this one's very nice. I mean, it's balanced, and when it goes in the water, it's like nice and level, right? And if a fish takes it, or if it goes like swims around with it, or if it's a positive bite, it goes down, right? Okay, but then I thought, what about negative bites, right? So I I made a new one, and this one here, as you can see, I removed the weight. Let me show you a little bit closer. It's got a snap swivel on. This is like I think it's called an anchor hook or wall anchor. You know, the ones they put in the walls so you can put the screw in them. It's plastic, so this one's just a nut, small, very lightweight nut that I threaded it through, and I used epoxy glue to put this on, right? And then for I'm using a post here, and it'll act like a indicator as well. So, and the way this one is, it sits in the water like this, right? If there's no weight underneath, or if the fish takes the weight, um, actually it'll have a weight, and then like maybe something like this, right? You're supposed to just use one weight next to the bait, so in case you get a negative bite, it kind of, if the fish takes it in its mouth, then the float goes down like that. You know you got something on the line, right? So it works all different ways, and let me show you what how simple it is inside. So this is I used cocktail skewers. You know, they look like this one here. Okay, I simply cut this in half with a angle grinder, so it acts like a light sink, and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's another cocktail stick, you know, just examples of what you can use. And this is styrofoam that I've cut out so I can sandwich the 3-volt lithium battery in there. You open this up, okay, see, that's what it looks like. I glued this part from up here. You put this in, grab an LED. Let me see what color this one is. Probably the red, yeah. That's the red one. Okay. Oop. Bear with me, folks. And again, sorry about the low quality video and probably bad audio. Okay. And there we go. That's what it looks like. It's a little too bright on the camera. Uh, Sorry about that, you know, I can't help that. Pretty neat, huh? See, that's the strike indicator. Or so it tells me if it's up, or you know, if it's lying on its side, or whatever's going on. And let me see, what else do we have here? Let me try another color. Let's try, yeah, green. That's a little better. You know. Just different colors. You can easily change them, right? And it's simplest floater I can think of. It's very cheap to make. This thing, you know, cost me like $2.40. I kind of guessed that cost, because most of the stuff, you know, it's household items you can find laying around. Obviously, you're a fisherman. You got the swivel. I mean, these bolts and nuts and anchors you can find in your tools or whatever. in your box. And cocktail skewer. This thing, you may also find it. If it wasn't for this, it would probably cost me only 40 cents. That's just for the batteries and an LED, right? So there you go. That's my happy new little floater I made, homemade. And if you guys have any questions, oh, this thing, you're probably wondering, it looks pretty neat, right? How did I achieve this effect? So basically, the um, the plastic, it acts like a fiber optic, right? So the light goes through it all the way, but in order to make it disperse and become more visible, like the points you're seeing here, I figured I had to like take sandpaper and scratch it on the outside, so it helps disperse the light. Okay, that's the effect you get. That's pretty neat, huh? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them. Thank you. Give me a sub, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.